Alright, Liberty Walk, Huracan. But let's not just focus on the kit. Sheepy built twin turbo. When you see that logo, you know shit means business. So this is Daniel K. Song's A90 Supra TRN NL. If you're wondering what on earth I just said, that's what I just said. So this Supra's been in the works for a while. He's kind of gone that extra mile to make sure that the Pandem kit is done to the next level, and you can tell the quality. So here we have Ryewire's EA B16B inside. That's a lie. Now, Ryewire, for those that don't know, is known for their tuck harnesses. By tuck harnesses, I mean that. So yes, that's throttle bodies on a B16B, coil on plug, LSD box, the whole 9 yards. This thing is unreal. You can't walk past an NSX. You'll know my thoughts on the new NSX, but damn, AIM game have really upped the level here. Full carbon fiber kit, and it actually looks good. Sorry Honda, but you kind of messed up with this one. But now, yeah. It'll crucify me if I went past the Hakusoku GTR. This thing is clean. Now this is what you call a retro mod. Oof. That's how it's done. Side-on carbon seats. Well, carbon Kevlar. The level of build to it is ridiculous. Not just any 190E, this one has been transformed into a DTM race car tribute, I guess you would call it, by the guys over at Filthy, 1552 wheels. The most ridiculous spoiler, which coming from someone that's at SEMA, take my word for it, that's a mental spoiler. But it doesn't just stop there. That's the inside. Dimple dye flooring, everything's coated. Damn. Carbon fiber inlays on the dash. Oof. this N600 that you would have seen on yesterday's video, I've just discovered something quite unique, which might be dictated by the amount of people that are looking at the engine. Just a casual VFR motorcycle engine stuffed in the front. So, 926 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, K24 Civic. Yeah, K24 with a ginormous turbo, considering it's a K24, rear-wheel drive. A bunch of you wanted me to have a look at this, and of course, there's no way I was going to walk past it. This is a K20C out of an FK8, mounted longitudinally, rear-wheel drive in an AE86. If anyone wants to know the spec, have a quick pause. By turn 14, yeah, you'll recognise the name of the driver. This is insane. So there's a bunch of EG swaps going on with these at the moment, but to see this as an AE86, oof.